Welcome to TechbrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn about foreach in PySpark. The foreach function in PySpark is an action that applies a custom function to each row of a data frame. So if you need to apply the custom function to each row of the data frame, that's where you will be using foreach function. It is commonly used for operations such as logging, sending data to external systems such as relational database management system tables, Kafka topics, or executing custom logics. Please remember one thing, since the foreach runs on a worker nodes, print statements inside it wouldn't appear in the notebook output. So that's the kind of, sometimes hard to debug and all that, but just remember that, and you can work it through. You can always write those records to the relational database management system or to the file system and take a look from there as well. So here's my data that we are using. So we have name, country, and age. 3 records are right there, and then we are creating a data frame called df right here by using create data frame function. Provided the sample data, provided the list of the columns, and it's going to create us df data frame. We can see the results by using a dot show function here. Now we are creating a function here that will run on a Spark executor or worker. So you wouldn't see the printed output in the notebook, but this is the function I have defined here. So depending upon your needs, your function will look different. In my case, I'm simply creating this function and using the print statement inside. So there is not a whole lot I'm doing here. So you will say define, and then the function name, and then you say row, and then here on each of the row, what we are doing here, I'm printing that. So row.name, row.country, row.age. So you can see that I am printing each value on each of the loop iteration. And here we can apply. So how you will apply, you will say df data frame for each, and then you will apply, put the function name. So here in my case, the name of the function is a process underscore row. So if we execute this whole thing right now, nothing is going to happen because I cannot print the results in this notebook from the foreach, as this is executing on the worker node. Now just to simulate this, I can use a for loop here across those records in the data frame, and then I can just print that each row. This will kind of show me the same results for my scenario, but if your function is doing different things, you will not be able to maybe replicate the whole thing here in the notebook. It will apply on each of the row in the data frame, and whatever you are doing in that function, that will be happening, maybe writing to the database table or to the Kafka topic or whatever. So let's execute our notebook here and take a look. So here is the output of our notebook, and you can see this is our original data frame, and we have name, country, and age. And then this is applying for each check Spark executor logs for the output. And I can't really find the logs from here that I can show you the results for this statement. But as I said, that you can write these rows to the table or Kafka topics, and then you will be able to see them as well, and if they are processing, and for each is working just fine. Now in my case, I have simulated this by using for loop, and this is what you have created. So this is exactly, it is going to loop through each of the row in the data frame and then work on it depending upon the definition of your function. I hope this video will help. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.